Hi guys, in this video we are going to break down the top 5 best computer case this year. We will be taking a look at computer case at every budget range, so regardless of whether you have got few bucks to spare and want the best value or looking for the best of the best, we will have an option for you. This list was created based on hours of research, so, if you are interested in finding out which computer case best suited to you and want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. If this is the first time you visiting this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell. Okay, so let's get to the video. Starting of our list, Cooler MasterBox Pro 5 RGB computer case. The MasterBox Pro 5 RGB has a straightforward design, so it's a great option if you're not stoked about fancy stuff. This computer case comes with three 120mm RGB fans strategically positioned behind the dark mirror front panel. For a unique look and different options to display the build of your system, the Cooler MasterBox Pro 5 has a 4mm thick edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel. It also possesses a nicely built interior that rewards the owner with conveniently placed cutouts. All these allow for component installation, interior expansion, and multiple interior layouts that are simple and easy. The key features are 1 to 3 splitter cable for RGB LED fans, 4mm thick tempered glass side panel, 3 120mm RGB fans, liquid cooling, PSU dust filter. Let's talk about the pros. Flexible mounting, expansion support, clean cabling, supports standard ATX motherboard, and the cons are average airflow. Our next pick on our top 5 list is Arrowcool Sill RGB mid-tower computer case. The Arrowcool Sill RGB mid-tower comes with an attractive front panel and elegant backlit LED. The reviews from past customers are quite encouraging, which is why we included it in our list. This mid-tower case has 13 lighting modes on the front panel with 6 RGB flow lighting modes and 7 reliable color modes for showcasing your gaming rig. With this tower computer case, you have easy access to your media. It supports SD or micro SD card from the top panel. Another reason why you should get this computer case is that it supports air cooling. Its dual chamber design also aids proper ventilation. The key features are acrylic side window RGB, 7 solid color modes, removable PSU dust filter, motherboards, ATX/micro ATX/mini ITX, USB 3.0 into 1, USB 2.0 into 2, HD audio ports. Let's talk about the pros. Supports liquid cooling, durable, easy to clean, supports VGA fan bracket design, 0.5mm steel thickness. Supports SD or micro SD memory card. Supports CPU cooler. Supports extra long high-end graphics cards up to 371mm. And the cons are, feels cheap. Up next on our list is Cougar Conquer ATX gaming computer case. This ATX computer case is perfect for modders. Conquer's ATX gaming case has a unique aluminum framing design that breaks away from traditional cases. It gives owners a pretty simple way to build and modify the case. Because of its excellent expandability, modders will have maximum levels of freedom to make a dream case beyond their imagination. With this case's truss aesthetics and military outlook, the other computers wouldn't dare mess with yours. But the Cougar Conquer ATX gaming case has more than a great look. It has an extreme cooling performance, which makes it a perfect gift for gamers, overclockers, and PC enthusiasts. Finally, you can display your high-end and powerful gaming system, including full-size graphics cards up to 350mm with an incredible vision that will blow your mind. The key features are Mini ITX/micro ATX PC case, ATX computer case, mid-tower, Cougar CFD 120mm LED fan into 3. Material, aluminum alloy. Dimension, 255 x 580 x 685 mm, /10.03 x 22.83 x 26.96 inch. Let's talk about the pros. Supports USB 3.0 into 2, mic into 1, audio into 1. Great cable management. 7 expansion slots. Tempered glass. Fan and water cooling support. And the cons are, the case is not big enough. Next on our list is the Corsair Crystal 570X RGB mid-tower case. The Corsair Crystal 570X computer case has a sleek tempered glass enclosing on the entire chassis. This ensures that every component of your device is on display for all to see. If you're a techie and beauty is all on the inside for you, then this is a perfect option. This computer case has enough space for almost every size of radiator and support for up to 6 case fans. Using the SP120 RGB LED fans and the built-in LED controller, you will have excellent lighting effects that are undoubtedly eye-catching. This Corsair case offers impeccable cable management is made simple with built-in cable routing channels. All these are enhanced with Velcro cable straps that ensure that only your components are seen through the floating glass. The key features are: cable management made simple, 4-panel tempered glass, direct airflow path, removable fan trays, Velcro cable straps, 3 included SP120 RGB LED fans, integrated RGB controller. Let's talk about the pros. Adequate room, minimal setup, great display, aesthetically pleasing. And the cons are, tight but sufficient rear cable management. Our last pick on our top 5 list is Darkflash Phantom Black ATX Mid-Tower Desktop Computer Gaming Case. This computer case is arguably the best looking of the bunch, but it's not on our list because it's pretty. It is valuable to most DIY builders, the reason being that its layout fosters an enjoyable building process. Its 6 pre-installed fans rewards owners with an excellent cooling and cyber gaming atmosphere. Because its connectivity is relatively affluent, the Darkflash gaming case is convenient for use with a gaming system, and it also offers easy access with the PC. You also enjoy the benefit of viewing its gorgeous RGB lighting. The key features are: USB 3.0 ports, tempered glass windows, 6 PCS 120mm LED DR12 RGB fans, clean looking build, 16.5 x 8.6 x 21.5 inches. Let's talk about the pros. Roomy internal space, efficient cooling solution, rich connectivity, perfect size for ATX/micro ATX/ITX motherboards, easy budget and build. And the cons are, not enough room for excess wires. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like or subscribe the channel and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below.